Hello there, we just got done watching the 2023 movie Thanksgiving. It's an hour and 46 minutes long. It says, 1 year after a Black Friday tragedy, a ruthless killer stalks Plymouth, Massachusetts to exact bloody revenge. One complicit resident at a time. I thought it was okay. There were a few things in the movie that I found to be a little bit too predictable. Lots and lots of gore. Not a lot of jump scares, but a lot of gore. It's rated R.
Yeah.
What did you think of it?
Yeah, a little too hand it to you style, but it's predictable, as you said.
Mm-hmm.
But it was alright. It was worth a one watch.
It's not one that I would watch again, and I don't know, out of 5 stars, I'd probably really only give it 2 for myself. Just because the gore level was just a little bit, it felt like it was a little bit excessive, yeah. Like some of the scenes just didn't need, some of the things we saw. But yeah, if you like horror movies, you like gore movies, this might be one that you might enjoy.
And then they have the classic, why would this person do this if this was happening in real life shit.
Well, yeah, of course.
Like, come on, like really this they're not going to do or try, but just die? Okay.
But it's currently on Netflix, so if you want to see it, if you have Netflix, then it can be seen there. Or I'll see if I can find it online. If it's on Amazon, I'll link that below there. If you've seen Thanksgiving, let me know what you thought of it. And if you have not seen it, do you typically enjoy movies that have a lot of gore? A lot of blood and guts? Let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.